Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Kia Telluride. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have fresh engine oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Always check your owner's manual for the precise oil type and the exact capacity, which is usually around 6 or 7 quarts. Next, we'll drain the old oil. Begin by safely lifting and securing your Telluride on a level surface, using sturdy jack stands for safety. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, which is typically found underneath the vehicle. Position your drain pan directly below the plug, then carefully remove it. Let all the old engine oil completely drain out. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's replace the filter and drain plug. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new oil filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, replace the drain plug, ensuring you use a new washer, and tighten it securely to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification. For our final steps, we'll add the new oil and perform a crucial check. Carefully pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the fill port. Once filled, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to allow the new oil to circulate. Then, thoroughly check for any leaks around both the drain plug and the new oil filter. Finally, verify the oil level using your dipstick, adding more if necessary, but be careful not to overfill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.